Hi everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Aetna Health app not working on your iPhone. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you're trying to log into your Aetna Health application from your mobile device, but if it's not working, then here are some fixes you could try out. The first thing to do is to make sure that you've downloaded the updated version of Aetna Health application. In order to check that, go tap Open your App Store. In the search box popping up at the top, type in Aetna Health and perform your search. If you see an update button right next to the Aetna Health application, right where you can see open right now on my screen, tap on the update button to download the latest version of Aetna Health application. If you've already updated your app, you'll be able to see an open button. Once you have the latest updated version of Aetna Health app, you should be able to fix your issue. If it does not work for you, next, make sure that you are connected to a stable internet connection. If you're already connected to one, try switching between Wi-Fi or cellular data. You can also unplug your router or your modem and plug it in back again. Refresh your router. Once you've refreshed your router and connected to an internet, you might be able to solve your issue. If it does not work, next thing to do is to clear cache from your Aetna Health app from your mobile device. Simply tap Open Settings from your iPhone, and from the Settings menu, scroll down and tap General. Tap iPhone Storage, and once the iPhone storage loads, look for Aetna Health app from the list of the applications that has been installed on your iPhone. Give it a tap once you find it. And now, tap on Offload app. Tap Offload app one more time to confirm, and doing this will clear out your cache data from the application. Tap Reinstall app again and wait until the app gets reinstalled. Soon after you do that, you can now go back and open your Aetna Health app and see if that fixes the issue. If it doesn't work, come back to the settings page one more time, scroll down and find Aetna Health app from the list of the applications. Tap it open and make sure that you've allowed necessary permission for the application. After doing so, you might be able to solve your problem. If it still does not work, simply delete the Aetna Health application entirely from your iPhone and reinstall it back again and see if that fixes the issue. Those were some of the fixes you could try out whenever your Aetna Health app is not working on your iPhone. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was in any way, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.